Introduction. Tuscan tapestry. Tuscany. The name itself conjures up images of rolling hills, vineyards bathed in golden sunlight, and ancient cities filled with art and history. It's a region that has captured the hearts of poets, artists, and travelers for centuries, and its beauty is as captivating today as it ever was. From the Renaissance splendor of Florence to the medieval charm of Siena, from the rustic beauty of Chianti to the hidden gems of Livorno and Saturnia, Tuscany is a feast for the senses and a journey for the soul. My own love affair with Tuscany began years ago, a love story sparked by the region's timeless beauty and the warmth of its people. It's a love affair that has only deepened with time, as I've explored its hidden corners, savored its culinary delights, and witnessed the magic of its changing seasons. Join me now as we embark on a cinematic journey through the heart of Tuscany, a journey that will take us from the bustling streets of Florence to the tranquil countryside, from the heights of the Leaning Tower of Pisa to the healing waters of Saturnia. Let us together unveil the soul of Tuscany, a region where history, art, and nature intertwine in perfect harmony. Chapter 1. Florence, a Renaissance Rhapsody. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, a city that explodes with art and history at every turn. Walking its cobbled streets is like stepping back in time, each palazzo, each bridge whispering tales of the Medici, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. The Duomo, with its majestic dome by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline, a testament to the city's artistic genius. Inside the Uffizi Gallery, Botticelli's Venus and Michelangelo's David reign supreme, their beauty as breathtaking as the day they were created. Crossing the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II, one is surrounded by the glittering windows of goldsmiths, their craft passed down through generations. Below, the Arno River reflects the city's golden hues, a constant reminder of Florence's enduring beauty. Florence is a city that overwhelms the senses, a symphony of art, architecture, and history. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left, its beauty forever etched in your memory. Chapter 2. Siena, Echoes of the Middle Ages. Siena, a city steeped in medieval history and tradition, its heart the Piazza del Campo, a shell-shaped square that has witnessed centuries of life, from the Palio, Siena's famed bareback horse race, to the quiet gatherings of locals on warm summer evenings. The Torre del Mangia, Siena's majestic tower, pierces the sky, offering breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding countryside. Narrow winding streets, lined with brick buildings and adorned with colorful flags, lead to hidden piazzas and charming cafes. In Siena, time seems to move at a slower pace, a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked bread and the sound of church bells, a reminder of the city's rich past. Siena is a city that whispers its stories to those who take the time to listen, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Chapter 3. Pisa and the Leaning Tower's allure. Pisa, a city forever linked to its iconic Leaning Tower, a marvel of engineering that has defied gravity for centuries. It's still a testament to human ingenuity and the passage of time. But Pisa is much more than just its famous tower. The Piazza dei Miracoli, the Square of Miracles, is home to a collection of architectural masterpieces, including the Duomo, the Baptistery, and the Camposanto Monumentale, each a work of art in its own right. Strolling along the Arno River, one discovers a different side to Pisa, a city of quiet charm with elegant bridges, colorful houses, and a youthful energy that belies its long history. Pisa is a city that surprises and delights, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly, and where the Leaning Tower stands as a symbol of human endeavor and the enduring power of the past. Chianti, the heart of Tuscany's wine country, a landscape of rolling hills, vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see, and charming villages perched atop hilltops, each one a postcard of rural Italian life. Here, life revolves around the rhythm of the seasons, from the pruning of the vines in winter to the harvest in autumn, a time of celebration and the fruits of a year's labor. The air is filled with the scent of grapes, olives, and freshly tilled earth, a sensory experience that evokes the essence of Tuscany. In Chianti, one can indulge in the simple pleasures of life. A long lunch under the Tuscan sun, a glass of local wine, the company of friends and family. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to savor the flavors of the land, and to experience the warmth of Italian hospitality. Chianti is a place where time seems to slow down, where the worries of the world fade away, and where one can truly appreciate the beauty of the simple things in life. Livorno, a vibrant coastal city on the Tyrrhenian Sea, a place where the salty air mingles with the scents of freshly caught seafood and the lively chatter of locals in the bustling market. Known for its canals, reminiscent of Venice, but with a unique Livornese charm, the city is a riot of color. Its buildings painted in shades of ochre, terracotta, and sky blue, reflecting the hues of the sea and sky. The Mercato Centrale, Livorno's central market, is a feast for the senses, with stalls overflowing with fresh produce, seafood, cheeses, and local delicacies. Here, one can experience the true spirit of Livorno, a city that embraces life with gusto and a love of good food and good company. Livorno is a city that surprises and delights, a place where the sea breeze carries the scent of adventure and the promise of new discoveries. Saturnia, a place where legend meets reality, a place where the earth itself offers a gift of healing and rejuvenation, the thermal springs of Saturnia. Legend has it that the god Saturn, weary of mankind's constant warring, struck the earth with a thunderbolt, creating a crater from which flowed waters with miraculous healing powers. Today, the thermal springs of Saturnia continue to draw visitors from all over the world, seeking to experience the therapeutic benefits of their mineral-rich waters. The cascading waterfalls and natural pools, surrounded by lush greenery, create a scene of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Saturnia is a place to reconnect with nature, to soothe both body and soul, and to experience the healing power of the earth itself. Tuscan cuisine, a celebration of simple, fresh ingredients, transformed into culinary masterpieces that tantalize the taste buds and nourish the soul. From the hearty ribollita, a bread and vegetable soup, to the delicate hand-rolled peachy pasta, each dish tells a story of the land, the seasons, and the traditions passed down through generations. Olive oil, the liquid gold of Tuscany, adds its fruity aroma to every dish, while the region's famed wines, from the robust reds of Chianti to the crisp whites of San Gimignano, complement the flavors of the food to perfection. In Tuscany, every meal is a celebration, a time to gather with loved ones, to savor the flavors of the region, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Tuscany, a tapestry woven from rolling hills, vineyards bathed in golden sunlight, and ancient cities filled with art and history. It's a region that has captivated hearts for centuries, a place where beauty whispers from every cobblestone street, every sun-drenched vineyard, every masterpiece of art. From the Renaissance grandeur of Florence to the medieval charm of Siena, from the rustic beauty of Chianti to the hidden gems of Livorno and Saturnia, Tuscany offers a journey for all senses, an immersion into a world where time seems to slow down, where beauty surrounds you at every turn. Whether you wander through the Uffizi Gallery, marvel at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, or sip Chianti wine under the Tuscan sun, Tuscany will leave an imprint on your soul, a longing to return to its embrace, to rediscover its magic, to lose yourself in its timeless beauty. Tuscany awaits. Come, explore its wonders, and create your own unforgettable Tuscan story. A story that will stay with you long after you've said arrivederci to this magical land.